on the pile. Wait, what? What did it... Oh my god! Good morning, welcome back to the Rodrigo channel. Welcome back to another video. Lovely sunny day for once this week. It's a bit colder this morning, but we're at a lovely site down in Farnham. And yeah, got a hell of a lot getting on today. Got some day rate. We've got this chestnut being repollarded. Everything from a viewpoint back there is going to be pruned to the height of the apex or no lower than. And then from there, Jay's probably going to crack on with these conifers, going to put a nice straight line in them, continuing along to the rest of these ones, nice and straight. And then we're just going to do some crown lifting and some branch removal on these pines. And we're going to have a nice big burn up. Hopefully have time to get young Elliot up a tree with me. And yeah, should be a good day. It's Friday, everybody's happy, everybody's caffeinated, and let's crack on. That's good. It's not as good for double rope. Like, yeah, it's just not quite as. I don't think it's just not made for little mix and match. Neither is this though, but I don't know. I don't know where I looked up and found out this was the best one. It's fucking amazing. It was my third one, so says a lot really. Yeah, I fucking quite enjoy climbing like this. It's fucking smooth as fuck. It's so satisfying. It's fucking... Yeah, this is like that. I've tied this knot, but it's fucking smooth. It's fucking nice. It's so smooth. I don't think it does much, does it? It's just... Get up. Timber mush. I think all the wood, try and chuck it in the pile at some point, and then while we're doing some other mincy bits, we'll just have someone logging it up. I reckon we'll try and leave it where we want to leave the wood, maybe just as it comes down, try and chuck it straight near that pile, and then we're left dragging. Side down. Got to hit them with a little side down. One down, two sides. Sometimes three sides, one down. Yeah. All depends on the size of the up. Yeah, you get what I'm saying? Yeah, cool. Once you know how many ups you've got, you know how many sides you have, and then you know how many downs you've got. Normally only ever one down. I've never seen anything more than one down. What's that? Well, it's always one down. That's a good rule. There's always one down. Yeah, you've always got to go, no. You've got to see how many ups you got, and once you've worked out how many ups you've got, Then you'll be able to determine how many sides you need, and then down, I always just rule of thumb, 1 down. Alright? You get me? Yeah, always assume 1 down. That's it. But you've got to work your ups out first. Right, now I'm going to take a log. Always 1 down. I would also be an argument for always 2 on the side. But if you're topping a Connie, there could be 4 on the side. You see what I'm saying? No, you got to take the ears out. Don't want, if you're worried about tearing, then it's probably at minimum a 4 on the side. Shit. You see what I'm saying? Like, it's almost starting to come together now. You know what I mean? Josh is going to go start the fire with his body. Keep moving. Right, I'm going to hit you with another 2 on the side, 1 down. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. 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 So, about. Yeah. Perfect, really. What I want to know though, Elliot, is how are you built like the Taj Mahal? Talk about wonders of the world. Your anatomy is what I wonder. Me? I'm a male arborist. I'm not a tree surgeon. I'm a male arborist. And that's without the bag. Yeah. I'll do it big. You can't handle one more. Right, Elliot, give us a tug. Good big tug. That's the one. Oh, great heaven. Yes. Walk it down on him. Walk it down on him. Spot on. Just log off. Haha! One of them honey packs, my boy! Yeah, look at this, really. Straight in the pile, mate. Same with this, you ready? On the pile. On the pile? Wait, what? What did it... Oh my god! Oh. Right. Oh, I'm gonna go this way with this one. Sorry. Well, that one's going to do good on YouTube. Yeah, you could probably give Elliot a hand for a bit while I'm getting the stem down. We haven't got much. We haven't got much to be getting on with really. So. Okay, sorry. Yeah, me next. Did I? I paid all of them. Best one. It's burnout. Rivals is mental. That's a bold statement. Most Wanted and Burnout were the sickest games. Yeah. That's the last top. It's just wood now. Yeah, Rivals and no, Burnout and Most Wanted. The issue is though, it's like, yeah. Yeah. When I found out that you physically couldn't win that first pink slips, mate. Still going to go like the big chunker. Yeah, because you were on a 360, weren't you? You were on a 360. That was immense. Nah, you're right, mate. Off you go. Right, that's all done. Not looking too pretty. But in all fairness, the back boundary looks pretty nice. This is going to look real nice, good difference. I am going to jump up this oak tree now and do a few bits selective branch removal. Same with that pine and then the back pine and then the oak. For the oak I hope to get Elliot up on, so I'm going to fling a line up there and see. Yeah, probably just want some rope on it and yanking it back this way. It's tiny though, isn't it? I should take the first 3 branches off, including that dead one, and wisp up the Effie. Yeah. Ooh, there's a pine tree. Fucking hell. Oh, is it? Well, you like buttered sausage? Why is nobody talking about buttered sausage? Where did it come from? Why have we got it? Just got my line set on this oak. I'm only taking off dead branch, two other little branches. What I'm probably going to do is put a throw line down, nobody else needs it. I'm going to set up on that pine tree, and then once I pull my rope up that one, when I'm done with this one behind me, I'll set up my line ready on the pine at the back. Efficiency. See up there?
Aynı.
Superman. Nice work, Jason. Put your harness on so that you know if I can.
Yeah, I'm
size it up.
ready. Brand new, that harness.
Pardon?
In good condition, that harness.
I don't know what good condition or bad condition is, to be fair.
I hope so.
So I've practice. That's going to fill up with sawdust one day.
Yeah.
Cool. And your leg loops are all fine. Cool. Here's your side strap. What hand are you? Right or left?
Huh?
Right-handed or left-handed?
Right-handed.
Cool. Put this on your left.
Really?
Yeah. It's backwards for now, but when you learn how to do it, it's so much safer. Your chainsaw and your silky go on your right side because you're right-handed. So if your side strop's there and you pull up a chainsaw and just rev it up by accident, you didn't do the chain brake, your side strop's done already. Pull out your silky, all your fabrics, if they're anywhere near this stuff, it just fucks them. So all my fabrics always go on my left side. Anything that I use, lifeline stuff, will always go this side. So that if I can't cut it unless I actively try.
Do you want the rope or do you just want the...
I'll probably use that.
Fuck's this thing?
And I'll tie a rope branch. Rope.
I've got a little rope if you want a little one.
That's alright. Get used to using his own. And then this you're never going to remember. So watch if you want, but for me, I kind of just wrap it until it looks good. Probably about 4 or 5 wraps. Just looks good, and then I kind of know if that's enough. I'll just kind of keep going. I'm like, yeah, that looks about right. Couple of twists, couple of loops and a pull. Jobs are good ones. And then reverse again.
And that right there is what's saving you.
That's what's saving you.
Saving me.
The pulleys to tend the slack. You could use that without a pulley, but you don't want to be prosecuting. I won't do that to you. But the pulley just makes it so that you can tend the slack. So that you obviously don't want to put. You've got to push away from you. So it's a bit counterproductive. But as you're pulling in, you'll be over a branch, so it'll come over, attached to the other section of the pulley. That's what it looked like. And then you can pull down, but then obviously eventually you're going to get to a point where you've got slack, and you're going to go back, so you're going to take up the slack. So when you pull up, you want to pull it out, and then kind of just one last little pull up, and that will kind of just seat it. And then, yeah. So that stays on there. Never comes off, never comes undone. You've always had something attached to you in the tree. Yanking it, but as you pull on that, just rather than doing pull-ups all the way up the tree, you want to hip thrust So you want to be feet on the stem.
How are you putting 2 hands on it and pulling that at the same time then?
No, you pull up a bit of slack and then you pull up a load of like.
See, look, what the dog's telling you, Elliot, mate.
Yeah, so you pull up a couple pulls. Yeah, that's the one. And then you take the slack out. That's it. There you go. But to make it even easier, try and hump the air. Not even joking. Like genuinely. That's it. Just literally try and have your feet against the stem and hip thrust like you're walking up the stem. So that's it. As you get, and then you don't want to start by the branch collar.
Can I take
So-
off this tongue quickly?
Yeah, it's coming off.
Pissing me right.
It's coming off. So yeah, if you want to.
It's all up in
So you don't want to start near the branch collar. So the branch collar is, for this one, is that piece there. So that is where it will heal and grow from. So you always want to leave a bit of a pruning cut. So start out here and do an undercut. That's probably about a third of under, yeah, or wherever. But obviously you want to take as much as you can off with the first cut. If you keep pulling around to the left, what you can do is tighten your side strop and kind of swivel it, and the friction from the tree will hold you around higher, further. So same as your main line. Same as your main line. Get used to your left hand. Just pull it. So remember, push, not pull. So always push it away, and that'll take the slack up. But then as you're doing that, you want to hit it with a little, like, lean into it, and then it'll take more up, and then you don't have to do the retention.
That's the one.
And then loosen it off a little bit, and then yeah, that's enough. And then to come round towards me, you want to push this side round the tree more, and pull your side. You don't need to do anything with that. You don't need to tension it. But yeah, you see how the friction holds you out here now. And then try and get your foot on a little nub or something. And then, sorry. Yeah, there you go. And then try and take it this side of that branch. Undercut by about a third of the branch. And you want to go as flat as you can.
That is awkward, isn't it?
Yep.
Doing an undercut there, silky.
Yeah. Hold on to your main line, your strop. If you put too much weight on it, you can hold on to it.
Yeah,
But if you push down, it's going to start tearing early. You can hold on to it to kind of loosen, like slow it down. Silky is the only time you're supposed to ever cut and hold, or when you actually need to get the job done. Keep cutting until it drops off. That's it. See? Step cut, perfect. And now you want to prune that back to the branch collar, which is going to be, in this scenario, we're going to want to, you'll look at it and you can see there's almost like a point where it kind of tilts up in the bottom and kind of gets like slightly slimmer. So we don't want to touch too close to these sort of burrs, because that's where it's going to heal from. So what you want to do is start it here,
Yeah.
and then you want to angle it across there, and that's going to be a good pruning cut. But I'm not going to make you do that. Head up to that next branch. Right, you see that next left hand branch?
Big one.
Now, oh, you haven't gone down yet, have you? So now, go round. And now pull on the green bit to go down. So hold, let go, not both hands. Hold, stay still. Right. When you want to go down, you want to make sure you're doing it because you want to go down. So just holding on here, not only is it going to fuck your hands as bad as mine, but hold on to it. And what you want to do, not pull down, but you want to twist it. So you want to twist it towards you. Not the whole thing, the top piece. So you want to kind of get your fingers in between. Like, no, in between the gap. There you go. Get a good grip on it and then twist it towards me. And then pull down. And that kind of just loosens it up a bit. Smooth descent as a fast descent. You can just let go. It'll stop. Don't just fucking bomb it and let go. Pull down. Yeah. nothing worse than guessing that you're going to bomb it out and it feels sick, and then you let go at the last minute and fucking smack into the tree. And that is us done for the day. Good to get Ellie out of the tree. It's deserving of a good bit of training, and I'm going to do my best to pass on my very limited knowledge onto him, but he done well. So we're going to head back to the yard. It's been a pretty good couple of days, and that's us done for the week. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to go like, comment, subscribe, and I shall see you in the morning.